Hi, this is BnB IT Services, and I'd like to take this opportunity to explain the services that we render to our customers so that if you're in need of any of our services, you can definitely contact us. Basically, we undertake three main types of services. One is we have the research and data analysis that we undertake. The second one, we have the software development services. And then the third one, we have the digital marketing services. However, in this particular video, I would like to explain the research and data analysis services so that you might know what actually goes in and what we actually do there, so that if you are in need of us, you can definitely contact us. Now, as I'm talking to you right now, you have our YouTube channel that basically we post most of our videos there. We also update our customers on what is going on, and then also impart knowledge through our Facebook pages. So that definitely you can go there and subscribe to any of these particular channels, so that, and then make sure that you subscribe to it and also like it, so that once you post any video, you can definitely have access to those particular ones. I'm sure that you are going to do that. Now let's go on to the research and data analysis services that we render. The first one is the research, and then under the research we undertake the corporate research and then the academic research. Basically, under the corporate research, we actually undertake research for institutions, and it definitely cuts across all other institutions. We have spanning through the banking sector, through the education sector, any other corporate sector that you want us to actually undertake any research. Most of the research that we've actually undertake, we have the gap analysis research that we are very much conversant with. We can conduct a SWOT analysis for you. We have the trend analysis that we also undertake, basically based on data that you have actually collected, and then you want to see whether there is any kind of trend that is actually going on, and you can use that to predict maybe what you want to do in the future. We are available, and then we can undertake that. We have what we call the TAF analysis. That is a total unduplicated reach and frequency analysis. And mostly this is used to target marketing strategy for businesses, and mostly involve the analysis of platforms that offers maximum reach, so that you can definitely direct your team efforts in the right direction. So that is we're now in a corporate world, and then technology is actually moving on, so you need some of all these particular analysis to be able to make your firm more informed, so that you can direct the firm attention to what is actually needed. So these are some of the analysis that we actually undertake under the corporate aspect of the research. We also have the academic research, and under that we actually write thesis and dissertations for undergraduate, postgraduate, the doctorate level, and then the PhD level. And in fact, we have a team of competent people who are always available and are ready to definitely assist you, either to actually direct you, or maybe to be able to assist you in whatever thing that you are doing. So that is also this team has worked for a very long time, and they are very competent and giving you quality work, and then being able to explain each aspect of the work that they definitely do, so that you definitely understand it. Now, the research that have been undertaken under this area actually span through all aspects of academic areas, and basically throughout the sciences, the engineering, the law, and the health sector, any other sector. This team also helps in writing for articles for publications. They also assist you in that. And one of the outstanding things that they do is also the knowledge impartation through the videos and then the posts. Just as I've already said, most of the things that also go on, we do a record of whatever thing that goes on, so that people can also learn, and then we can also impart knowledge on them. And this, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube and then our Facebook channel, so that definitely you can have access to them. So that is that. Now the other aspect is the data analysis aspect, and we basically deal with both the quantitative and then the qualitative data analysis. Under the quantitative data analysis, when they take both the descriptive and then the inferential data analysis, and for the descriptive we undertake the mean analysis. In fact, we have the skewness and then the kurtosis. All of them are being undertaken, so that we definitely be able to describe what the data is all about. So those are some of the things that we undertake. In fact, we are also very conversant with differential statistics, which ranges through correlation analysis, regression analysis, analysis of variance, and then we also have factor analysis. In fact, with time series analysis, all these are analyses that are actually being run so that by our team, and they are very much conversant with it, and they can take you through the process. We have softwares available that can also assist you so that you can understand each of the process that goes into this particular analysis, so that you definitely be able to understand them very well. So take notice of those particular ones. Now, under the qualitative data analysis, in fact, we undertake the content analysis. We also undertake the narrative analysis. We have the discourse analysis that we also undertake, and basically we also based on the grounded theory. It's also another area of aspect that these particular people have been able to develop. So these are some of the things that we do under the research and in the data analysis aspect. We use a lot of softwares, and then ranging from SPSS, ranging from eViews, ranging from Minitab, R, and then Stata, MATLAB, Python. All these softwares, we have people who are much conversant with them, and they can take you through any kind of modeling that you definitely do not understand, and they can definitely give you any kind of explanation. We have a lot of expertise also in Microsoft Excel analysis. So all these are some of the processes that we also undertake. Now, take notice as I'm summarizing, I'm coming to an end, and as I said, just like our videos, and then also subscribe to our channels, and you can also access our Facebook page, and we also have our WhatsApp platform and our WhatsApp line that we've definitely given out, and you can also take that particular line and then give us any kind of message that you need, maybe be it for any kind of assistance that you need. You can definitely email us, or maybe give us a text message, and definitely we're there to attend to your services. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye.